This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 101 of Building the Fast and Furious's Dodge Charger. More trunk and boot action with this issue after looking at Fire on the Ice. Vehicles showcasing the 8th movie. The Rally Fighter, driven by Letty. Yeah, that was quite an interesting, mainly off-road vehicle. Quite cool. The Dodge 1996 in Indianapolis pace car. Didn't realise they used it as a pace car. Cool. Why not? It's all good. Right, the boot panels, that's what we're going to be fitting. In case you didn't know where the boot was, it's there. We are fitting some panels together and then fitting it to the interior, as well as the hinge brackets going in place on there as well. So a fairly quick build series. Hopefully quick and build easy. We'll find out in a little while. But yeah, put it down in a safe place for the following assembly sessions. Yeah, let's have a look. Resto mod, I don't know what that is. Resto mod, restoring but making it look nicer. Cars with modern tech. All right, so taking an old car and sort of upgrading it while you're restoring it. That's quite interesting. Bit of stuff, but still classic looks and classic lines to it. Right, let me get this out of the way and bring in the car. Well, not the car. We're going to build a little bit first, and then I'll bring in the... Yes, so we have the rear boot panel. That's going on there like so, making a right angle connection. Go on there. Get the other way up. It is there. Yeah, there we go. Using CP screws. Which one's that? Not that one. That's got an M on it. Got an M on it. CP. There we go. So 3 of these required for that. Let's see exactly what we're going to get. So this is not quite square. It's got an angling to it, as denoted by the shaping of the bits that you're putting in. Go through there into there. Like that. Almost like that. There we go. That one in there. The others in, and then tighten it all up. That one there. And that one. The only place we've got left, right at the end. So that is that. This is then going to be fitted to the body, which I've got just in front of me. Get that. That's not in there probably though. That one is. The middle one is not quite. Let's try taking that back out. Trying it again. I think I went in not quite straight, or rather I did go in straight, and it should be at a slight angle. That's better. There we go. So let's move these bits off to the side again. What are we going to need? We're going to need 3 FM screws, which are these ones. And then CM screws for the last bit. But 3 of these. First, get it out. Come on, out you come. There we go. So this is going to move the page out the way so I can see what I'm doing. This is going into Yeah, I know you can't see it yet. I'm just turning it over first so you can then see what's going on. There we go. Into there. Whereabouts? Oh, it's the back bit, so it goes sort of there. In fact, just there. Like that. And we've got the 3 screws down here to hold that in place. So this is sort of the back bit under the rear window, the rear shelf. So 1 screw there. And 1 either side. All good. So that is that. I'm sure that looks fine from the other way up, but I'm not going to turn it the other way up yet because we need to fit in these bits. These are the boot hinge cover things, and they go somewhere. One thing that I will not complain about in this build, but the bit that's not very clear is where these things all fit. Can't see very clearly on the instruction page there where all the arrows go down to. Let me see if it's clearer on the other one. Not much, maybe a little bit. Okay, so it's right next to that round bit. It's down in here somewhere. There's a screw hole. We've got a pin and a screw hole. R. Is that R or is that L? I think that's L because we're looking at this from the car going forwards, aren't we? And that pin is actually coming upwards. Right, so it goes on that way around. So that's the one from this side. It's going to go on there. A bit like that, I think. Keyed in place. There is a keyed in place on that. So yes, that is exactly where that needs to go. Not quite like that, but almost like that. It's got to go straight. Like that. With a CM screw holding that in place. Yeah, I don't know. It's obviously a cosmetic part. It's like the latch cover, but it isn't. But I'm sure you'll be able to see it very, very slightly if you look in exactly the right place when it's built and the right way up. So there we have that one. And this one on the other side. I'll get all the screws tightened up as ever. Camera ready for next time. Next time I think we're fitting the rear bumper and number plate. Should be the thing. So that's that. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying it. Do let me know in the comments and like and subscribe and stuff. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.